Sparky, no!
Muddy paws, doggy accidents, and shedding hair everywhere. Has your furry friend turned your car into a disaster area? Then you need the PetZoom Loungie, the ingenious new seat cover that protects your vehicle from dirt, dander, and doggy damage. No more soiled upholstery or stained, smelly seats. The PetZoom Loungie keeps your vehicle clean no matter what your dog gets into. The PetZoom Loungie is made of durable, heavy-gauge material and has a waterproof backing, so even the worst doggy accidents won't leak through. It installs in just seconds, and it's so comfortable and snuggable, your dog will lie calmly, even on the longest rides. The PetZoom Loungie is great for small cars, high-end luxury sedans, even minivans and SUVs. When you take your dog for a ride, they leave behind dirt and hair, and they can even get car sick. What a mess! But the PetZoom Loungie keeps your car looking showroom new. It's machine washable, and these specially designed openings allow access to seat belts, so your dog can have company in the back seat.